Class 7 Computer Virus Chapter 4 Different Forms of Malware. Malware is an umbrella term used to refer a variety form of virus. Malware is combination of two words malicious and software and is developed for the purpose of harming the computer system. Virus, worms, Trojan, spyware, keyloggers, adware, all are forms of malware. Worms. Worms show up via email, network, or instant messaging software and then create more email or messages or get spread. These are they attempt to disable firewalls, antivirus software, and other security elements. Trojan horse. Trojan horse is a program or a file a user unknowingly allows or invites into his or her computer system. In reality, the program or file contains malware. The user is tricked into believing that the program or file is just a normal software. The malware takes the control over the system or provides a way for an outsider to reach and control it. Spyware. Spyware is a program that is put into someone's computer to secretly gather information about the user and spread it to those who are interested with harmful intentions. Adware and tracking cookies are example of spyware. Adware display ads on your computer. Keyloggers record everything you type on your computer in order to obtain sensitive information such as login name, password, and send it to the source of the key logging program. Ransomware is a type of malicious software. It blocks access to your computer and threatens to pay a ransom. There is no guarantee that paying the ransom will return access or the data will not be deleted. Virus. A computer virus is a program which may be attached to other programs and may create copies or replicate itself. It may damage or corrupt data, change data, or degrade the performance of your system by utilizing resources such as memory or disk space. The full form of virus is vital information resource under siege. A computer virus can be categorized as boot sector virus. Boot sector virus infect the computer by copying the code to the boot sector. It replaces the valid content with its own infected version. For example, parity boot, stone virus, program file virus infects the files on the computer system. It resides the root of a host file and then begins operation when the file is executed. When the file is opened, it overwrites the file. It can also infect file with .exe and .com, .system file extension. For example, Sunday and Cascade. Macrovirus infects Microsoft application that provides support for macros. Whenever the application runs, the virus gets activated and damages the formatting of the document. Since this virus is sent through mail, a computer network can easily be infected by this virus. For example, Malaysia virus. Multiparated virus is a hybrid or multipart virus. It infects both program files and boot sector, thus causing more damage than any other kind of virus. The first multipart virus was Ghostwall virus. Symptom of virus attacks on your computer. Computer viruses are created by humans who have intention to create problem for others. You will encounter irritating pop-ups when you browse the web. Some pop-ups will check system clock regularly and activate at a particular date and time. The most harmful one will erase all your files. Other will attack the system memory and BIOS. This will make the operating system impossible to boot. The action which the virus performs on the computer is called payload. Different effects of payload or symptoms of virus attack on a computer are: deletes file, format the hard disk, degrade performance, causes system instability, compromises security secreting, large scale emailing often received in the spam box, releases confidential information such as password or credit card numbers.